Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to talk about Cardano. We're going to look at Cardano against the US dollar, Cardano against Bitcoin, as well as against Ethereum. So if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, check us out on Twitter, Telegram, and we also have Patreon if you'd like to go a little bit deeper into different charts and things like that. We have some exclusive content on there. So Cardano on the daily chart, we're going to start out with this because this is kind of the key moment right now. Cardano is rapidly approaching, for the past 4 or 5 days now, it's moving down, rapidly approaching the 21-day EMA, currently at $1.05. You can see on the left there in the yellow, $1.05 against USD. This would be our first support line we want to hold. If we break that, it's not a huge deal. We've wicked through it a couple times back here. We've broken through it. We actually closed the daily candle down back through here, but then the next day you close back above it. So you don't usually want 2 candles to close and confirm a trend broken. So if we close down in here, not a huge deal. Just tomorrow becomes much more important because then we want to close back above. So keep that in the back of your mind. But if you're looking to buy in, not financial advice, usually the 21-day is a first key level to watch for good buys. As you can see, if you would have bought right here, that would have been a good decision. Good decision. Right here as well. Anytime you're in a bull market, 21 days is your first sign. The next sign is your 21 week if you follow through that. But as you can see here, Cardano is still light years away from its 21 week. We looked at XLM this morning and it was 50% above its 21 week, which is good. Cardano is more than double that. Even with the downwards movement right now, we're still almost 110% above the 21-week moving average. So still in a very bullish movement. If we zoom out again on the weekly, look at levels to watch here. Notice way back in 2018, we closed right here. That's at 98 cents. If you recall, just a few weeks ago when Cardano was struggling, it was struggling to break 98 cents and $1 area for days on end. So that would be another key level to watch, especially since it's almost coinciding exactly to the 21-day moving average. The 21-day moving average is $1.05. This is on a monthly time scale for Cardano. You can see February was very good to Cardano, up a modest 281%. Currently getting a little bit of some cool off, but look back here. So this was the start of the bear market. Okay, so this is the cause for this. Not necessarily that there's anything wrong with Cardano or it's going to repeat that, but just keep that in mind how high above we are right now. We could still go higher. We don't have to come down. We don't have to break this. We don't have to retest the 21 week anytime soon, but these are all things you got to look for. Being a professional trader and wanting to learn more, you have to look at the ups and the downs. You can't focus on one or the other all the time. You have to know what it's going and be prepared either way. So that's what we're looking for on Cardano. If we get a bounce off of here, then we can look for a continued move. And in order for that to happen, we want Bitcoin to hold its 21-day. Currently, it is very close as well, right? Right, just under $48,000 for Bitcoin. So this is another key level to watch. If this breaks this and starts coming down farther, much farther, more than a wick, or let's say, see this candle close right below it, but then the next day we got above it. So if we close around here or a little bit lower, we have to watch for Bitcoin to close back above it tomorrow. Now, if we close here and then tomorrow we close lower, that's a big warning sign, and then I would be prepared for more bad news bears. But we'll cross that bridge if and when we get to it. Now, this is ADA against Ethereum. So Cardano Ethereum is also heading down towards its 21-day, right? So that current level is right here on the left, 0.00066,239. A little bit more difficult to say it in terms of Ethereum versus the dollar, isn't it? But this is your levels. You can just see all your charts right here. And if you need to, you can just have your cursor up. This is all TradingView, guys. This is all free. You can go download TradingView and do all this for free. The you could do that today. So try that and put these lines up on here. So EMA's 21 right here for Cardano. If we fall through this, which I don't see happening unless Bitcoin really kicks the bucket, okay? Or Ethereum. If Ethereum puts in a power move, yeah, it's going to continue to get hurt against, or Cardano will get hurt against Ethereum, which is, so far, Ethereum's starting to outperform Cardano, right? So this is their first level. The second level is here. Now, why this level? Well, if we scroll out, look at where we've gone to in the past. Last summer, look at that. Last April, 2 Aprils ago, right? 2019 now. And even again back here. So if you don't want to scroll out that much, you can do it on a weekly. Look at the weekly chart. 3 touch points almost perfectly. That will be a big level. So if we somehow make it down to there, and you're looking to swap Ethereum to ADA, that would be where I would personally be getting in at. Not financial advice, but this looks like a key level if we were to break that 21 day. This is Cardano against Bitcoin. Also approaching the 21 day. Shocking how all this is happening together, huh? So 21 day, not too far away from it. That is going to be a key level. We can see we got some interaction with some candles here. This is another level to watch just below that 21 day. You see that dotted line. Now, as Cardano goes down against Bitcoin, if it makes it this low, again, it doesn't have to. If we come down here, this is another key support. So we wick there, we have showing some support in here. We got to bounce off of that. Come down here, flirt with it again. See this consolidation right in here? And then we finally broke it. We came back right up to that same level. Now we've broken through it again. So when we come back down, we would anticipate this to act as support. This is on the weeklies. This is bigger. If you go to the daily, yep, we're coming down to it. So if this is your first safety net, this will be your second safety net. If you hold Cardano and Bitcoin, this is the chart for you. If you want to convert some of your Bitcoin over to Cardano, these are the key levels to do that. Cardano against Bitcoin is still almost 70% above its 21-week moving average, so it's still a ways to go. Against the US dollar, you saw it was over about 110%. We're still almost 70% against Bitcoin even. So Cardano's still very strong. We still have a long ways to go to get back here. We don't even have to go down to those levels. Maybe we just flip around sooner than later. If we get a nice bounce like we did back in here of our 21 day, then we should be set to go again. So we just got to watch Bitcoin. We want to see where it closes. This is, we don't want to be breaking down through here and close multiple candles. So watch for Bitcoin to close above this. If not, if we close slightly below, remember, tomorrow becomes very important. So that's what we're looking for. Cardano against Bitcoin, against Ethereum, and against the US dollar. If you're new again, we make videos, new videos every day. Do live stream at least once a week. So please give us a like and a subscribe if you like everything. We'll see you on the next video tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Hooray. Hooray for Friday. Let me know if you got any questions. I appreciate your time. Thanks so much. We'll see you again real soon.